Hey guys, hey guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my most common. I eat this a lot now that I made it. So, well, I don't know if I made the recipe, but ever since I started eating what I'm doing. Anyways, so yeah, you want to grab a plate. Get some marshmallows. Checking the date. Hold on. Where is it? What? Oh. Okay. Good. Good to go. Or all good to go. Okay. Open it up. Now get 2 marshmallows. It stick to my lip. Okay. Scooby, what are you eating? Okay, sorry. Let me grab a napkin. You want to get that was a small one. This time I'm doing 3. You can do, honestly, I prefer 2 or 3. You ain't getting this, Scooby. Sorry, you can't eat. No, that's paper towel. You don't eat paper towel, stupid. Okay, sorry. Yep. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. And now that you have this, put toppings on it or whatever. But now we're putting it in the microwave. If you don't know how to work with a microwave, you might want to get a parent or something. Sorry, I just kicked my dog in the nose on accident. Anyways, where can I put you? Look. Okay, that works. Okay, anyways. Marshmallows. Microwave. Just put a countdown for 30 seconds. I prefer to wait till it's at 10 seconds. So, let's just wait until baby. Say hi to Scooby, everyone. Scooby, look. It's you, Scooby. I'll put you down. Don't bite me. Oh! It's loaded. There. I actually didn't know it would be this loaded. I didn't know it was going to be that loaded. I'm scared. I usually use 2, which doesn't get bloated, but for some reason nothing got bloated. Scooby, you can't have it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. get something to eat it. I use a fork, mostly. You don't want to eat it when it's hot. I prefer not to eat it when it's hot. Yeah, because I did it and it burned my mouth. Anyways, yeah. I know I don't know what time it is. I know it's 10:04 in the morning, no, at night, but who cares? I don't. Sorry if I woke you up. Sorry if you had the notification bell on and I woke you up by posting this video. Sorry. Not hot anymore. Just eat melted marshmallow. I also made I'm trying to make a slushy. I'll eat it. I'll be back. Actually, just come with me. Okay. So, hi Dad. Anyways, it's hard. It froze. Scooby. What is that? Is it mine? I don't know. It's yours. Can I have this, Dad? Can I have it?
The plastic?
No, the stuff in it. Is it for adults?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyways. Oh, Piper. It almost sprayed everywhere at me, and there's tastable. You can taste the lemonade. It's all frozen. It's all frozen, but there's still juice in there that I can. Ow! So, flavored ice. And on the flavored ice, right here. What the? There's random hole in it. The ice going into it tastes sweet. Okay, so lickable ice, well, flavored ice, good, and then lemonade. Good, good. I'm gonna pop it in the freezer real quick. Go, babe.
Ray, bring me a paper towel when you go. Or a napkin, please.
Okay. Here.
What? Huh?
That does not look like cranberry. Okay, anyways. That, guys. Sorry. Anyways. Enjoy it. It's really good. Really, really good. So I don't exactly know what to do. I'm just looking how fast the food's going. Anyways, we're like we're about to be at 11 minutes. So I just wanted to show you this. Remember, don't use a microwave if you don't know how to. Get an adult or parent